Oh, the power of internet. I know it was backwards. I just wanted to see how many of you will catch it. Anyways, what do you guys think? Was this a good restoration? It was a lot of tear wear right here on the lining and the roof. It had a lot of scratches, paint, dents, but you know, it's already fixed. I fixed the problem. It was really nasty, dirty, but now looks really cool, clean. I got 2 new custom trains. Actually they are 3. One of those will be ready for tomorrow, Saturday, or maybe today, but for sure tomorrow, Saturday. Well, it's already fixed, but it looked good. It looks good facing the other direction. Anyways, thanks for watching. Over and out.